hot and sunny day. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Put the FYD sunglasses on. Oh, yes, proper. Now, I've left my salad in the car. What an idiot. Blown up. Shout out to trying being healthy. I'm trying, but it's not working. Let's get this thing started. Engage sport mode. Let's do this. Yeah. It's time for me to go and really enjoy this thing, I think. I'm gonna meet up with some mates. We're gonna go for a proper drive in this thing. I wanna get a couple of cars together. We're gonna get some awesome drone shots today as well. That's what I really want of this thing. Going over through lovely roads and all that sort of stuff. So this should be a bloody good vlog. And guys, if you are enjoying the daily videos, please let me know below. It is mega hard to keep these things going. You have no idea. I have so much respect for like Adam LZ, TJ Hunt. Honestly, it is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do. So shout out daily vlogging. If you do like it, leave me a comment below. Need to know your thoughts on what you think about the channel at the moment and what you want to see more of. But let's get on the road. I think I need a pink monster as well. I'm try and find one. Me, else and lads, go for a good drive. Shout out to Honey Hill for always having the best monsters on the Isle of Wight. They always have the mango ones and they always have these pink ones, which are, honestly, shout out monster, you made such a good drink here. Don't worry everyone, there is water in the car as well. And salads. So if I'm on the Slimming World diet, I'm only sinning a little bit. That's how it works. So I thought I'd get to the meeting spot a little bit earlier just to talk you guys through this car, because although I featured it a lot heavily on the channel at the moment, I haven't really gone through this thing. So it is a 1.4 litre turbocharged. It's actually got a Garrett top mounted turbo on these engines, which is absolutely nuts. You guys would have seen that in a couple of vlogs ago. But this is the 124 GT that Abarth have given me for this week for me to just literally enjoy, and that's what I've been doing. I've been enjoying this thing every day as a daily driver, as a B-road basher, and everything in between. It's got Brembo brakes up front. It's got the OZ 17-inch wheels on this one as well. Really, really cool looking. This paint as well is of a 1970s colour with the metallic on top. Bulges going on the bonnet. This is the selling point though. The carbon fibre hard top roof, which is detachable. You can still take this off and there is still a factory fabric roof that is, you know, you can put up and down quite easily, which is really cool. You know, that's an option that you can take off, which is very cool. But again, GT styling, I quite like the hard top roof. Quad exhaust at the back, you know, it makes the pop-ups, it makes the right sounds, and at 250 foot-pound of torque with 172 brake horsepower, it's more than enough to keep this thing going. It genuinely shocks me at the torque figure. When it comes in, it really squats and goes. LSD in the back of this as well, so you can have an absolute riot in it. It, you know, performs fantastically, and where the engine is sort of behind the front axle, it's sort of designed so well that it's pushed back in the car. It means for a driving experience, this, you know, chassis with this engine, with an LSD, with proper brakes, hands down one of the best new cars you can buy, in my opinion. But I think as a future modified car, this could be one to look out for. You know, like the other Abarths that have been modified, I think this would make a fantastic modified car. Although it's modified from the factory, I think there's still a lot of potential there. I just can't wait to see these with 250 brake horsepower. They're going to be lethal. They're going to be such a good laugh to drive. As a standard form, you know, from the factory, they're a riot. So anything after this is going to be nuts. But I'm going to chill out here, eat a salad, because I'm a salad eater now apparently, and wait for the lads to arrive. We're going to go for a drive. Right, so people have started to turn up. We have Dan from Black Art Graphics behind me with a large rod. Nice bit of large rod behind us. I'm excited right now about my rod. We're getting some pictures for the, well, what do you do? Talk to me, what do you do?
Blueprint illustrations, laser engraved on metal plaques.
There we go. So if you're
unique, take some
very unique
photographs.
Yeah, and we've got to take photographs like this because we're going to do one on the 124, which is quite an exciting idea. I like the idea of it. So it's going to get its own plaque, which is really, really exciting. If you haven't already, go and check out Black Art Graphics. do a fantastic job. There's a lot of different car makes and stuff on there. Pretty much something for everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of it's all custom commission stuff, so you have to drop us a message.
Drop us a message, but something they can cater for, like this, you know, a car that hasn't been out long really, and you can still, you know, like this, get the plaque of your dreams. Do you like that? Plaque of your dreams. Right, just jumped in the car. Got the whole crew behind us, look at that. Is it gonna start? Is it gonna start? Is it gonna start? Yeah, we're going. Do this. We just stopped coming down to Military Road. Look at all this behind us. Look at this Civic. We need to get on the channel. Steve, once you've done your engine swap, we're 100% getting that on the channel. But these are the guys that have turned up. Massive thank you to everyone that's turned up. Fiesta behind me there. We've got a Corsa D. Look at this VTR. It is the cleanest VTR I think I've seen in ages. Literally, probably one of the cleanest original examples. Look at the paintwork. Look how clean this thing is. It's even got sparkle in there. Sparkles. Original interior. It's just nice to see one that basically isn't mine and completely destroyed. Because this one puts mine to shame. No dents, no scratches. Absolutely mint example. We have Matt's MX-5 looking pretty rowdy. Sleepy mod on the front as well. Look at that. Pretty pimping. But array of car, 1967 Ford Galaxy convertible. Mental. Look at this array of subscriber and car that we've got to turn up today. Thing is madness. Look at this. I know the American car fans out there would absolutely love this. So mint inside as well. But we're going to wait for the drone to come up and we're going to insert some epic drone shots with all of these awesome cars. Array of car, because literally you couldn't get any different. American, Japanese rear wheel drive, a mint Saxo, Corsa D Fiesta and the Civic there. But let's insert some drone shots because we just need drone shots on this channel, you know? Last bit of drone footage. Oh, done. Do some good high fives as we go past. High fives, high fives. Legend, legends, legends, legends. High fives, 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 high fives. Double high five, high five, high five. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Oh, what are you doing? High five! Come on! High five in there, high five! High five, give me a high five. Legend. All absolute legends. That should have come out really, really well, hopefully. Look at the array. Look at Steve there. Look at him. This needs to come to the channel. Sort the engine out. Let's do this, come on! Rolling out. Rolling out.